Happy Friday, my friends. I hope everyone is gearing up to have a fabulous holiday weekend. I'm excited to be getting a long 3-day weekend from my full-time job to get to spend time with my family. But I wanted to make sure that I got out some job leads to y'all before I take off to enjoy time with my family. Real quick, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. Today's job lead is from the company Healthcare Vesta. They are hiring an eligibility specialist / data entry to work remote from home. So they are specifically looking for someone to process and upload referrals accurately and efficiently utilizing all available resources. They're looking for someone to determine insurance eligibility through the use of various platforms and execute on data entry with close attention to detail and accuracy in support of internal reporting and workflows. Someone to remain organized while working and follow the established workflows. So what this generally entails in the healthcare world is looking up eligibility through different insurance payer websites. You'll have different insurance payers. You go to each one of their websites and you should have a provider login. And you log into those websites, you should be able to take a patient's name, date of birth, all that information, enter it into the website and search records for them and find their insurance, find out if it's still active, if they had insurance that wasn't active, that is not active anymore, when it started, the date that it termed, all of that information, and then you will enter it into the healthcare system's computer system. So you'll just be taking data, enter it in a website, searching it, and then transferring data into another computer system. So it is a lot of typing, data entry type work. It's all done online. Most of the time, there are no phones involved. If for some reason you can't get results to come up in the website, you may occasionally, you have the option to pick up the phone and call the insurance company. But generally speaking, it's all done electronically. This does not require a high school diploma or a degree. As far as I can tell, it is not listed. They are looking for someone who has a strong proficiency in computer software navigation, someone who has strong problem-solving skills and strong organizational skills, someone who has the ability to work effectively. They do prefer someone who has a previous knowledge of revenue cycle or insurance plans. And if you have advanced Microsoft Excel skills using pivot tables or VLOOKUP function, that is useful as well. The pay range for this position starts at $16.50 an hour on the low end and goes up to $18 an hour on the high end. $18 an hour is $720 a week. That does not account for taxes or anything, as that is an individualized thing. They do offer a benefit package as well that includes health, dental, and vision insurance, paid time off. They offer 10 paid holidays in addition to your regular PTO. They offer monthly gym membership reimbursements, 401k plans, and other voluntary benefits such as pet, home, and auto insurance. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a great holiday weekend ahead of you, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.